the cell phone, the white cell phone that you did not see because in your evidence it was under a mat, I think. It was concealed.
And it was under a towel.
A towel.
A towel.
The photo, I might take it there, if you bear with me. It's photo 108 and 109. Let's get them both. It's not to spot the difference, it's just the photo of the white cell phone. Let's go to 108. And then we can go to a close-up. You can look at it at 109. Help me what is it that the photo portrays? And what should it portray?
The first entering of the scene, the cell phone was covered with that towel, or it was not visible like this.
But we received the photos of a cell phone lying in the open. That was not the observation. It was put there for purposes of a photo. Not so?
It's just, I don't understand your question.
That when you walked into that bathroom, that cell phone was not in that position. It was not lying open away from a towel and away from a mat.
I didn't see this cell phone when we entered it. So I can't say if it's, as I said, later on we discovered it. He was told to me that he was he was under a towel. So I didn't see the white one at first.
I understand that. I'm making a different point. I say when you look at that photo, that could not have been the scene that you saw.
When I first entered. That's correct.
The same with the next photo, the same photos. That could not have been the scene. Something happened in relation to the cell phone to make it visible.
About this cell phone, yes.
Yes. We're trying to find out when can we rely on a scene photo as a true reflection and when is it changed? Because there are a number of things that we're going to show you.
That's
and how does it work when you take photos?
Say that again.
How does it work when you take photos of the scene? Do you take it of the scene as it is, and then you have a second album and say, now change scene for the following reasons, back turned around, cell phone taken out underneath the carpet, or how does it work? So that we can also understand when to rely on a scene intact as you would see it on the day, and one that was changed. That's the question.
My lady, the first photos taken of the scene, when Warrant Officer Botha is, that is the most important photos of all the photos, because that indicates what he saw when he photographed the scene. If there was photos taken afterwards, like this one, it doesn't mean it doesn't indicate where the cell phone was. It indicated actually when the cell phone was discovered, this is where we found it, after we lift up certain things. So then your photos change, because the first one indicates we didn't see this. And then we started with the investigation. And then you get additional photos. So the first set of prints, photos that was taken by Warrant Officer Botha, Warrant Officer van Staden, when me and Warrant Officer Botha took him off, that is the most important set of photos.
Would it be an opportune time, my lady?